Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that introduces all the vocational training, the Ausbildung that is being done in Germany. Still on health, this is the fourth area of specialization under the health career path. Health has 64 career paths, 64 with 7 areas of specialization. Videos 1 to 3 has been done. The career path 1 to 3 has been done. I mean the area of specialization. And in this video, I'll be starting with the fourth area of specialization. That is Berufe in the Pflege. That is professions in nursing. If you want to become a nurse in Germany, or you don't understand how to proceed, you don't know the options that you have that you can go into, this is a video I will encourage you to watch to the end. Don't forget to share this video with friends and families for someone who doesn't understand the language yet. Only you can stop you. Don't give up on your careers. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. And starting under the Berufe in the Pflege, professions in nursing, the first career path under this is the ALTENPFLEGEHELFER. That is a nursing assistant. If you want to become a nursing assistant, I will encourage you to watch this video to the end. The duration is 1 to 4 years. It's either full site or trial site. That is full-time or part-time. The duration is 1 to 4 years, depending if you want to take it as a full-time course career or a part-time. The training is a Berufsfachschulberuf. It's a vocational school occupation. What do? They assist with the work with care, support, and care of frail, sick, or healthy or older people. They also provide help in dealing with everyday situations. They accompany older people, for example, when visiting the doctor or visiting the authorities. Together with others, they provide care and eating or work, administrative, medication, guidance. With nursing professionals such as geriatric nurses, they also organize leisure activities, programs for senior, that is for old men or women, and for example, they create games, afternoon sporting activities for them. Where do they find employment? They find employment in retirement homes, they find employment in nursing homes, they find employment in psychiatric departments, in hospitals, nurses, and rehabilitation centers. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you need your Hauptschulabschluss. It can't be less than your Hauptschulabschluss. If you don't have your university qualification, then you can't get into this career path. Anything lower than that, you can't get into this training. But if you have qualifications that are higher than that, then you can. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The second career path is the Fachkraft-für-Pflege assistant. That's a specialist for care assistants. The duration is 2 to 3 years, and it's also a Berufsfachschulberuf. It's a vocational school occupation. What do? They take account of both nursing and financial aspects. The nursing assistant purchases, storage, and maintenance of the household of those they care for. They also draw meal plans. They make meal plans. They support and advise family members, cook food, and take care of groceries, other household goods. They also serve the food for the patients they are attending to. They ensure that there is hygiene and orderliness in living rooms, bedrooms, sanitary rooms, and utility rooms. Where do they find employment? They find employment in hospitals and in old people and nursing homes. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you need your Hauptschulabschluss. Anything lower than that, you won't be accepted into this. If you have a higher certificate than the Hauptschulabschluss, then definitely you are getting into this career path. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The third career path, other professions in nursing, that is Berufe in the Pflege, is Gesundheit und Krankenpflege, Pflegehelferin, health, that is a health and nursing assistant. The duration as well is 1 to 4 years. You can take it full time or part time. It depends on, if you want it as a part time, then you spend 4 years. If you want it as full site, then it can be lower. It's also a Beruf Fachschule Beruf. It's a vocational school occupation. What do? They check, observe patient pulse, temperature, blood pressure, and they reposition patients. They share foods and treatments. They are also involved in the physical therapy measures for their patients. They accompany them, they clean instruments, tidy up hospital rooms, and they are responsible for cleanliness and hygiene. They also carry out simple medical instructions and prescriptions. They help with care documentation and organization, and support specialists such as nursing specialists or geriatric nurses with night guards. And they find employment in hospitals, clinics, specialist practices, and health centers. Do you need a certificate? Not lower than your Abschluss as well. If you have something lower than that, you won't be accepted into this training. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you.